Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to operate the LIECTROUX XR500. So firstly we fix the adapter and then plug in to the charging dock, and then the charging dock will show the green light. You can see here, right side, and this is to put on the outside side brush, and then this is front view, the small view. Then sometimes when in the dust we can remove it. Remove all the tangled hair. Then push back. Do the same thing on the other side. Press on this tool clip and then take it out, and then we take the roller brush out. Here is a small square shape here, and then here is the big square rubber. Then we remove all the hairs that's tangled on the roller. Inside the vacuum box have a small cleaning brush. Then you will see a small knife here. This is used to remove the hair that tangled at the brush. We can cut the hair easily. See, very easy to remove the hair, right? This LIECTROUX robot provides this, the best cleaning tools. Remove the hair. Yes, just put it up and then remove all the hair. And then here also, so we can see the three gap here, and put in the right correct side properly, fix it. So dear customer, you can also wash this roller brush under the running water to make it more clean. Make sure you dry the roller brush under the sun. Sure, we can clean. We can clean here, so we need to clean. You can see these three things. Fix them into the correct position, and then push until you listen the click sound. Open here. This is the HEPA filter, air filter. This one can wash under the running water, and HEPA filter no need to wash. You just tap out. You just tap out the dust like this. Just tap it out. And here have a key. Push down, and then insert through the dust and into the vacuum. Long press to turn on the vacuum. The vacuum will sit something.
Welcome to use robot vacuum cleaner. Glad to serve you. The robot is ready.
Just click this one to let the vacuum start cleaning. Push on this clip, push on these clips to take out the dust. Just open it on this arrow. See the dust, all the dust. And this is the vacuum motor. Vacuum motor is here. This is the water tank. You can fill in water at here. Open the lid and then fill in the water, and then close the lid tight. Put around 200 or 300 ml water. Here, this is some space for the vacuum to collect dust when mopping. Then please don't wash the metal under the running water. We just wipe the water tank and the dust tank as well. Okay. Then this insert the water tank. Then click the step.
Start mopping.
The vacuum will say start mopping. We can press this home button to instruct the vacuum back to the charging dock, or we can press this button to let the vacuum back to charging dock, or we just left it to clean our house until fully cleaning completed, and then the vacuum will back to charging dock automatically.
Returning to charging station. Start charging.
When charging, this charging light will show blinking green light. That's all. Bye.